move the hooks in.
Yeah.
This one's narrow, you see. This one's a wide gauge.
Yeah.
Doesn't want a wide gauge.
Massive.
So he's doing, at the moment he's doing stitches that wide.
So
Now
he's
he
going
wants-
to come away with one working machine
One out of
from the
two.
two?
Sure.
This is okay.
Yeah,
This is
what he wants to do.
like car business. This is great.
Yeah. No, because as Alan was saying, I mean, obviously it's not that huge amount. It's £70 you were saying, not to buy.
Yeah.
Probably
Yeah.
more than that. Who knows?
Probably
to buy
when you add it all up,
baits.
you find it a bit more with the presser feed as well. And,
Yeah.
But yeah, we want to make sure that we can actually change this bar. I'll tell you why, because I'm already seeing there's a screw in here, yeah? If you look at the bar, is there a screw coming through the back there? Which is actually holding this piece in. And I'm not sure what this one is.
Oh, it's a completely different.
Yeah.
It is
Yeah, we may have to
like
change the bar
flat.
completely. We may have to change the bar completely, which is going to add to the which is going to add seriously to the cost. You know that, don't you?
Oh dear! I think I have to leave some of my machines as a pay.
Oh yeah, bring down another carload.
The car will work. Leave the car.
He said, "How many carloads have you got now, William? Hang on, how many have you got? You got a lorry load, haven't you?
More?
More and more."
No, I got a lot.
I
The
had
front-
two 27-foot trucks with the hydraulic gates. Then the ones I ordered after, and then the ones that are still in another
Oh my
place.
God!
And so
It's
we've got
horrible.
the same
It's a nice
addiction.
kid.
It become addicted.
It is
It
an
become
obsession.
addicted.
Yeah, sure.
Yes.
That's why when I moved out of my big building in Glastonbury many years ago, I was glad to see the back end of it because I could not stop getting machines. Yeah,
But were you buying as well?
Oh,
You were
yeah,
buying
I supply as
constantly.
well, yeah. Always.
But at the same time, that's the way you learn, isn't it?
Well, I suppose so, but but then sometimes you don't need them.
No, I know.
You don't really
I know.
need them.
I
You
know.
just can't stop
You,
yourself.
you're not going to sell them because either you like them too much, or people that look at it and say, "That's all." This is a good one. We get people coming in here that work domestics, yeah. They see that machine. Oh, look at that! Oh, my mother had one of those. He goes, "Are you sure? She worked on leather, did she?" "Oh, no. She used a treadle, you know." Nah, that is not a domestic.
No.
They go, "Oh, so you have to spend the next half an hour explaining everything."
Yeah.
But it is a talking point.
Yeah.
You see something like this, they would never have ever seen a post machine in their life.
Yes.
And they go, "What is that? It's a sewing machine." No. Yes. Hasn't got any feed on it. Yes, it has. It's got a wheel feed on it. What's that?
Yeah.
It's great. It's great.
I could answer that question
It's
today, but
great.
I couldn't yesterday.
It's great.
So,
Okay, what I'm going to look at here at the moment is we're going to check to see if the actual bars are the same, because this one should be screwed in and this one has got a screw through it. So sorry, I'm going to get in the way of the camera. What we have to do now is we have to see if we can get to this part.
Right.
And looking at it, it doesn't look as though we can, does it? Can we
You have to drop it down.
What
What did you do?
Okay, I'll just lift it up the bar. Okay, so now it's low enough to get. So, would you mind see if you can get the screw out?
It hasn't got. It's like a pin.
It's a pin.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because it hasn't got a
alright.
head at all. Well,
Okay.
it has got a head, but it hasn't got where to put the screwdriver.
This one should be a screw. Or not. Where are we? So we may have to take the whole bar out and replace the whole bar with it.
Oh dear.
Oh yeah.
Tell me something about this, Alan. Is this worth keeping it?
What?
This, the feet,
Well, the pulley.
The pulley.
No, because you haven't got everything else to go with it.
No, I do.
Oh, do you?
I do at home, but is it?
Not for wood, you do.
Is
no.
exactly that. This is for material, maybe for fabrics, isn't it?
Yeah, but it's working for. This is also a large capacity bobbin as well.
Oh wow!
This is a small capacity.
Wow.
Bobbin. So.
Oh well, I did.
I hope that there is hope this side, is there?
Yeah, it does open, but
Okay, let's.
okay. Then this, I suppose, is only a couple of. You want me to do it from here?
Yeah, go on.
I don't even see a hammer in there.
Yeah, but okay. No, you won't.
Oh, you won't see a hammer in there. No, okay.
No.
Well, that was
Okay.
the place to put my finger.
Right, so what we're going to have to do, I'm going to have to measure this one, and let's have a look and see if I can find my